To help you wear your Cochlear Nucleus 7 sound processor securely and safely, a range of optional retention accessories are available. The Cochlear tamper-resistant earhook is an accessory for young children. It secures the earhook to the sound processor to reduce the risk of it becoming loose or detached. For extra peace of mind, the Cochlear Hug Fit holds a child's sound processor in place more securely than an earhook alone. When playing sport or exercising, the Cochlear Snug Fit can be used to help hold your processor in place. To fit one of these retention options to the Nucleus 7 sound processor, first, remove the earhook and battery module. Clip the earhook end first, followed by the metal hook at the battery end. Then, simply reattach the battery module as you normally would, making sure the metal hook lays flat to allow the battery to clip on. Children may also benefit from using one of Cochlear's loss prevention accessories. The Cochlear Koala Clip allows the Nucleus 7 sound processor to be attached to a child's clothing until they can wear their processor on their ear. Another useful loss prevention option is the Cochlear Safety Cord. This clips to clothing, meaning that wearers are less likely to lose their sound processor.